See it all outdoors. Check this out.
The view is something else.
Got him. Oh, that's a good one. Number one. Good morning, outdoor lovers. It is 5:15-ish. We are headed out. That is a look. I get to see that every morning. It's gorgeous. Headed out, try a different spot. Obviously the secret spot didn't pay off yesterday, so see what we got. Take a glorious ride across the lake. Let's go. So, we came to an island on the other end of the lake. When the lake's full, you can't even see it. It's gone. The lake's changed about 10 feet in the last 2.5 weeks. One thing with Boyd Lake that's really weird is it's basically a irrigation reservoir for Greeley Water District, and it's definitely the ever-changing lake. It never stays the same. It even changes a little bit in the wintertime. It's really a weird cat to get a handle on. The water came in this spring. The fishing was awesome. Water temp was about 64. Water come in the spring, changed the water temp 10 degrees because it's the snow runoff from the mountains. Really messed up fishing for about 2 weeks, and then after that it was hot. It was just crazy good fishing. And then it hit the high water mark somewhere around June. That's when everything was kind of perfect, and water temp started coming back up, so bass started spawning. Everything got a lot better, and fishing got easier, so to speak. A lot more cover when the lake's way up, that kind of thing. Now it's on its way back down, and quickly, because it's been hot and dry. So it's changed a lot in the last couple of weeks. So basically, this island, when I swing around, you'll see it. It's completely submerged and is now coming back up out of the water, so to speak. So we're gonna give it a shot, see what we got. It's got a lot of weeds. It's kind of a crazy island. It's got a couple boats already this year. One of the neighbors, I believe, had a fun time with it. And there's high spots, low spots in it. So you definitely don't want to try to drive through it. It'll definitely eat you alive if you try. So naturally, I would think the fish would kind of congregate to it. But we'll see. I've thought that about a lot of other spots in this lake that didn't give me anything either. So the weeds get really thick because they lay down. So we're going to be chewing through some stuff here just to try to get somewhere. Sitting in about 4 feet of water. if you guys can see this or not. There's a little otter sitting right there, eating a crawdad that he just got out of the lake. That's incredible. So that's the stuff you see in the early morning that nobody else gets to. Oh man, there's a whole family of them over there. That is nuts. Apparently I need to be jigging with a crawdad. I caught probably a 2-pounder, 3-4 weeks ago. Had just a giant crawdad in its mouth. Giant. This might be a good spot for the frog too, and the popper. It's a nice drop off. I'm sitting in 6 feet of water and it drops. Oh, we hit it right away. He hit it right when it hit the water. That was awesome. Gosh, I didn't even realize it was a fish. He grabbed that when it hit the water. Sweet. There you go, Nate. $2-0, buddy. 2-0. Let's go. Probably about the same size as I had the other day. 1.5 pounder. Pretty good fish. God, he hit it. He hit it right away. That's what I love about that chatterbait. When they hit it, they hit it. Let's get this guy back in the water. I knew there'd be fish back in here. Probably a really good spot for a frog. I must have dropped that thing right on his head. Alright, so it's officially 2-0, Nate. Now, I want to remind you that Minnesota bass do not count for this. It has to be a home state bass. So don't try to come up with some kind of crazy funky math or something and think these Minnesota bass count. Minnesota doesn't count. Anybody can catch fish in Minnesota. So anyway, that being said, it's 2-0. We're gonna see if we can get a couple more before Candace gets home and see what happens. I'm just gonna fish off the dock here. Had pretty good luck. Quite a bit this spring off the dock, actually. I've probably pulled 30 fish off of this dock. So we'll see what we got. But yeah, Iowa bass. No Minnesota bass. Those are a totally different category, and we'll go over that later. Oh, and muskie don't count for 2 points or anything crazy funky like that if you catch a Iowa muskie or something like that. But anyway, so yeah, let's see what we can do.